Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you all? How is life? Good. You all are relaxed in the morning. Yes, your tummies are full. But did you thank Allah in the morning? As soon as you woke up, did you thank Allah for giving you everything, for giving you a new life, for giving you a new day. Because every day when you wake up, you are having a new life, right? Because you don't know what's going to happen the next moment. Who knows everything? Yes, of course, Allah knows everything. He's there. He knows everything. What's going to happen now? What's going to happen tomorrow? Yes. So you should thank Him for giving you such a beautiful life with all these luxuries, with every necessity which is needed for you. Yes? Great. Now we are going to start our lesson. And remember, which lesson is this? Yes, it's your literacy lesson of which week? Week 19th. And today is the third day of your week 19. Now we are going to start the lesson by playing a game. Now I want you all to bring your either your notebooks or anything and your pencils, which is already there on the table. I can see that you already have those things, right? So now I'm going to ask you a riddle, and the answer of that riddle you are going to tell me by drawing the picture. You understood? I'm going to ask you a riddle, and the answer of that riddle you are going to tell me by drawing a picture. You can just draw a rough picture, and so that I can know what the answer is. Ready? Yes? Now, for your convenience, I'm going to give you a clue, and the clue is the riddle will be all about your family members. Okay? All your family. It would be about your family names. Are you all ready for the game? Yes? Okay, my first riddle. I am very old and I like to tell you stories at night. Who am I? Come on, come on. Quickly, quickly, draw, 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 draw. What have you drawn? Time is up. Yes, Ali. Wow. But I like to tell you stories at night, I think. Yes, Sarah. Sorry, Alia. You are right. It's your granny, your grandmother. Doesn't your grandmother likes to share stories with you? She tells you stories at night? Yes? Great. Good job. Next riddle. Now, I am the head of your family. I bring money to the family and support the family. Who am I? Head of the family. Okay, I'll give you one clue. I am a male. Who am I? Yes, come on, come on. Quickly draw the picture. Quickly draw the picture. Time is up. Yes. Oh, that's so cute. I'm your father. Wow, great. Good job. Well done. Very good. Last one. Okay. Now, okay, I take care of you. I cook food for you, and I send you to schools, and I just take care of the whole house. Who am I? Come on, quickly draw. Wow, Alia, that's great. I'm your mom. I'm your mother. Very nice. Well done, class. I must say that you all were very quick. So, did you enjoy the riddles? Yes, they were all the names of your family. They were family names, right? Now, today again, the topic for today is also some names, right? Now, what do you call the name of any person, place, animal, or thing? Yes, you call them naming words. You call them nouns or naming words, you can say a table, a chair, like whatever the name of a person, place, animal, thing, they are all called naming words or nouns, right? Okay, I'm going to show you some show you some words on my word cloud, and you are going to tell me what are the naming words, right? Ready? Okay, there you go. Can you see my word flower? Can you check the names? The first one here is Zen, class, Amir, table, Sana, Sara. What are the naming words? Yes? Very good. Class is a naming word. And what else? Table is also naming word. Sarah is also naming word. Very good. Now see children, table and class. These are naming words. It could be any table, it could be any class. But Sana, Sarah, Zain and Amir, what are these? These are special names. Yes or no? Remember yesterday also I have explained you a little bit about special names. These are the special names. The names that you give to any person, the names that you give to anything, the name that you give to any animal. These are all special names. Like your name, my name. Yes, these are all special names. So we call them special naming words or proper nouns. What are these? These are the special naming words or proper noun. Like your name is Sana, Alia, your name is Neha, Ahmed. These are all special names. The name of your school, that is Edward, this is special name, right? The name of, you can say, any country where you live, that's a very special name. The name of your city, name of your town, these are all special names. And now you will say that how come animals will have special names? You see, when you keep your animal as your pet, don't you give a name to that animal? Yes, you give name to that animal. Suppose if you have a pet dog, you call him a Tom. So Tom is a special name. If you have a cat, you call it Kitty. So Kitty is a special name. You have given a name to that animal. So they are pronouns, proper nouns. Proper nouns are special names of any people, place, animal, thing. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the names of any person, place, animal, thing. The special names that we tell, that we give. Now, like I have explained you, can you tell me any other special name that you have? Yes, your name of your father, your name of your mom, your name of the name of your grandparents. These are all special names. Got it? Got my point? Now, I'm going to show you a video. Again, this video is whose video? Is our school video. It's our Edgewell video. Now, what you are going to do, you are going to find actually that video is about pronouns. But you are going to find out the proper nouns from that video. And once the video is finished, you will tell me those proper nouns. Are you all ready? Okay, there you go. 1, 2, and 3. Can you all see my screen, children? Yes? Okay.
Hello everybody, let's learn about pronouns. What are pronouns and how they are defined? Whenever we are calling upon a noun that includes a place, a location, a person, an animal, or anything, we use a pronoun to call upon them. Let's see. Let me show you an example how to write a pronoun and what are pronouns and how to recognize them. It is a pyramid. That is Dubai. He is Ali. She is Sarah. This is Bob the bear. All of these are pronouns in red.
All right. Okay, class. There you go. Now you have seen in the video was about pronouns, right? But I asked you to tell me the proper nouns. So what were the proper nouns in the video? Can you name them? Yes, Ali, since Ali was a name of a person. Okay, Ali, Dubai. Second, very good. Third proper noun, Bob the bear. See, the bear was given a name. So what was the name? Bob. What else was there? Sarah, 4. So these are all the names. They are all names of person, names of place, animal and thing. You can see there was a name of a person, that was Ali. Name of a place, Dubai. Name of an animal, that was Bob. And name of a thing, pyramid, right? So these are all the proper nouns, right? They are the special names. Now, can you just tell me some other proper nouns? Like you can say that if you give a name to anything of yours, that this is a doll, it's my Barbie doll. The name of the doll is Barbie. So that is a proper noun. Do you understand? What is proper noun? Special names. Special naming words begin with, okay. Now, special, the one thing very important, when you are writing the special naming words, you will always write them with capital letter. They begin with a capital letter. Like you have seen, whenever you write your name, you start it with capital letter. In the same way, whenever you are writing the name of your school, you start that name with capital letter. So names always begin, special naming words, they always begin with capital letter. So special naming words will begin with capital letter. Names of places are special naming words like India, Siberia, China, and America. These are all special naming words, right? Okay. Now, what is your classwork for today? I want you to write down at least 5 special naming words, and you are going to make sentence with any 2 of them. What is your task? Write 5 proper nouns and use to in your sentences. This is my question. Now you have to write down this. You have to write 5 proper nouns and then you have to make 2 sentences. So I'm going to give you, since it's writing and you are small children, so I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task and your time starts now. All right, time is up, time is up. Come on, quickly tell me the proper nouns, what you have written. You have written America, China, okay. And any name? Faiza, all right. And the name of a place, you have written a town, you can say Lahore, okay. Now, can you just read out one of your sentence? I live in Lahore, okay. Sarah, can you tell me your sentence? My school name is Edward, very good. Okay, anyone a more sentence? Amir, what is your sentence? My pet dog name is Tommy. Wow, that's great. Very good, class. That means today's task, that today's lesson that was on special naming words or proper nouns is very, very clear to you. Yes, children? That's great. Now, I hope you all are going to do your homework. I'll be posting that on Portal, and don't forget to watch that video again. It's already available on your website. You can go watch that video, like that video, so that you can watch it later on as well. Okay, children? All right, see you in your science lesson. Bye-bye.